Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the record element of our CVP Call Studio. Now, with the record element, you should be able to record an audio from the caller and have that recording saved. And then once it's saved in the right location, you should be able to play back that information. Now, why would you do that? Why would you need to record something? Well, maybe you want to record an emergency greeting from an application that is only accessible by, let's say, the admin team. So you can use a one script to record the vast message by the admin team, who will record a message saying, sorry, we are closed today due to an emergency. And the main call center script could then check that audio file to see if there is any recording that needs to be set on or off. So that would be one option. Other option would be like maybe you have a menu that says check the cafeteria menu today. What is the special of the day? So someone from the cafeteria could dial a number and record the today's special for the day. So that every time a new employee or user dial that number, they will hear the updated recording. Now the recording will be captured and then save that recording in one of your location within your operating system. Now we're going to use Windows operating system to locate that. However, you can upload that to a Linux server if you want to. The record voice element makes a recording of the caller voice. A prompt is played to the caller, then asking the caller to record their message after the beep. The recording time limit has been reached. Basically the system will either stop recording when the recording time limit has been reached, or the caller hangs up, or you basically wait for 3 seconds or 4 seconds, for example. Audio cue or beep may be activated to signal the caller the system is ready to record the caller's voice. Different voice browser may have varying default maximum length for voice recording. So you want to double check on your VBB or the voice browser that you're using that to see if there's any restriction regarding recording voice recording. The recording is sent to the record element by voice browser, is then stored in an audio file. Now that location must be specified by you and me. Any pre-existing file with the same file name will be overwritten. The element can be configured to produce a non-repeating file name, so all recording can be retained. Now to do that, the file name format should be audio with capital N and R .web, where the N is the number of milliseconds since the midnight January 1, 1970 GMT time zone, and R is a random number between 1 to 1000. All recording